Ever wondered why the Arctic tern migrates over 44,000 miles each year? This tiny bird travels from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, chasing endless summer. But here's the kicker: they do it to maximize daylight. By following the sun, they enjoy more daylight than any other creature on Earth. This epic journey allows them to feed on abundant fish and avoid predators. Imagine a life of perpetual sunshine and adventure. It's a testament to nature's incredible adaptability. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories like this.